Lightning Part 2, guys. Oh, you can click the zigzag motion of it. Oh, so yeah, it's supposed to rain tonight. Oh God, dude, I gotta get back. I gotta get back so I can get the better parts of it. If I could move this damn crib out of this dog. It's all crazy over here. So yeah, how's everything? Oh, got that. Yeah, I usually do this in my little sister's room because it only shows the back yard, and so yeah, this is why I go into my sister's room and just record my little sister's room and just record lightning. So you could just leave a comment down below and see if you like my thunderstorm videos or not. I want to see if you like my storm videos or the lightning videos that I do. And so yeah, you can just leave a comment below. You see if I like my storm videos. I gotta stop repeating myself, and so cause I usually do thunderstorm videos cause I just like to do it. Like I just want to do it cause someday it might be an extra, and not an extra, but a future storm gesture. So, cause yeah, it's just lightning hard. It's fast too. So, how's life going, guys? Good, probably. School? I don't know, I say nothing about school, so yeah, I'm gonna be quiet for a few minutes and let you watch and get close. Probably get you some good old lightning footage. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Right there. Oh, that was huge. That was huge. Oh, yeah, this is crazy. Another plane. Oh! Oh, shit. Yo, dude. I caught that one. That one was bad. Yo. You guys saw that? Yo. Oh. Dang. Dang. That was bad. You guys saw the plane too and everything. Oh. Yo, that was a big lightning strike right there. Oh, jeez. Yo, this is crazy. It's getting even more crazy. Oh, oh, it's like spider lightning. I like the way that's the way that scampers across the sky like that. Just spider lightning. That one I caught on video. Use like some. Oh, I bet you guys are gonna see this reaction. Oh, the way I catch these lightning strikes, I want you to how to react. You can just leave a comment how big that lightning strike was and that plane going through it. That was bad. That was scary. Even though I would be terrified going through lightning if a plane. Well, I wouldn't be terrified, but it would be cool that I would get struck by lightning in a plane. I don't know. That's just my thing. Yeah, dude, that was crazy. Oh, bet how many viewers are gonna see this? Cause I know. Oh, okay, that one was big. I'm trying to get the good parts for you guys. Oh, yeah, no, it's supposed to storm bad later on. Yeah, it's getting closer. So, I've got some really good lightning bolts for you guys. Just one of those nights. It's another storm night video. I started out making storms because I love storms, and so, yeah. I just want to shut up right now. Another plane? Are you kidding me? Yo, you're gonna get struck by lightning, dude. Oh, this is... Yo, dudes, we got another plane, and it's going through the lightning. What? I don't know if you might see the plane 'cause it's way in the sky, or... Oh. Alright, guys. Okay, that's that, and yeah. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Bye.